Sino Galvo Laser Control System. Operation Guide. Part 1. How to change the language. Open the laser mark system. Change the language, setting, language. After change the languages, we need to restart. Enter the home page in English. Part 2. How to laser marking image file and set parameters. Click File. Import image file. Select image. Set the image size. The center button. Set the DPI of the image. Set the mark parameters. Preview. Click Mark then laser test. Part 3. How to laser marking vector file and set parameters. Import vector file. Center button. Filling parameters setting. Marking parameters setting. Preview and laser test. Part 4. How to draw graphics and text. Draw graphics. Draw text. Edit text and set text size. Text filling parameters setting. Text marking parameters setting. Preview and laser test.